Hey guys, welcome to another MTM video. Today we're going to be looking at how to replace a CV joint on a Volkswagen. So I'm going to go over the best way to do this both on the bench and in situ. So this is an old drive shaft, so I don't mind putting it in the vise. First thing you want to do is remove the clip. So when you've managed to pull back the CV boot and you want to change the joint, you would have to tap this off gently so that it releases the circlip from inside. But there is an easier way to do it. So if you get a socket that you'd have to use for the hub, with the hub out of the way, this thread travels all the way through so you can touch the drive shaft. So as long as this is straight, just got it down. Okay, so that's all the way in there. And it pops off. It manages to allow the end of that threaded bolt to come through just far enough to touch the end of the drive shaft, and it's enough to just pop it out of the circlip so you can just easily remove it. You can do this both on the bench or with it in place. It makes life a lot easier when you don't have to fully remove the drive shaft. But it is a messy job. So once you have your new CV joint and you've packed it full of fresh grease, it's ready for reassembly. Most new kits will have a new circlip for the drive shaft as well, so don't forget to replace that. So again, I'm just reusing this because this is an old drive shaft, but this would be a fresh CV joint. All of this would be clean and fresh grease. New circlip on the drive shaft. Once you line up the splines, it'll come to a natural stopping point on top of that circlip. So with a soft hammer, you just give it a tap, just until it passes the circlip. It'll click in nice. Reposition the boot. And you'd put on a new strap. And then should be done. This is a super easy way to replace a CV joint both on and off the car. So if you can get away with not having to fully remove the drive shaft, then all the better. That's it for this week's video. If this helped you, please leave a comment, let me know how you got on doing this job, and see you next week.